as we cut the ribbon. And immediately after cutting the ribbon, we are going to enter inside. And there we are going to take our seats. And before taking the seats, we are going to sing the anthems in order. Eka chenere utewot kere other activities. Kitameno one of directing ukere. Here we are just waiting for the man of God, and I request the DJ to give us the song. Me Fergal wa Momot, but we want to appreciate the band team for escorting our children up to where they went.
You be taking the video like this, passing. No, you take it like this, not like this.